Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Nutrigenomix offers personalized nutrition reports based on your DNA. Their website, Nutrigenomix.com, provides detailed information on how your genes influence your response to different foods and nutrients. This analysis can empower you to make informed dietary choices that optimize your health and well-being. They offer a range of genetic test panels, each designed to address specific health and wellness goals. From weight management and heart health to athletic performance and personalized nutrition plans, Nutrigenomix offers a targeted approach to understanding your individual needs. The tests are simple and convenient, involving a non-invasive cheek swab that you can collect in the comfort of your own home or with the assistance of a registered healthcare practitioner. Once your sample is received, their team of experts analyzes your DNA for specific genetic variations known to impact nutrient metabolism, food sensitivities, and other health-related factors. The results are then compiled into a comprehensive report, offering personalized dietary recommendations, lifestyle tips, and actionable insights to help you achieve your health objectives. Nutrigenomix doesn't just tell you what your genes are, they explain what it means for you and how you can use this information to make positive changes. Their website provides detailed information about their testing process, the science behind Nutrigenomix, and the numerous benefits of personalized nutrition. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health, enhance your athletic performance, or simply make smarter food choices, Nutrigenomix can provide the genetic insights you need to tailor your nutrition plan and achieve your wellness goals. Explore the website to learn more about the available tests, find a practitioner in your area, or access helpful resources to further your understanding of personalized nutrition. By understanding your genetic predispositions, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier, happier future. Remember, Nutrigenomix.com is your source for personalized nutrition guidance based on the unique blueprint of your DNA. Let Nutrigenomix empower you to unlock your genetic potential and optimize your well-being. Don't just guess about your diet, know what works best for you with Nutrigenomix.